Introducing. This is 2025 Audi Q8. Refined power meets modern luxury. The 2025 Audi Q8 continues to represent a bold take on the luxury SUV segment, combining striking design with sophisticated technology and refined performance. Designed for those who appreciate sporty aesthetics without completely sacrificing practicality, the Q8 is essentially a two-row version of the Q7. It offers the same solid underpinnings but trades the third-row seating and extended cargo space for a sleeker, more aggressive profile. From the outside, the Q8 exudes confidence with its wide stance, athletic proportions, and coupe-like roofline. Under the hood, a powerful 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine delivers 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. This setup provides brisk acceleration, complemented by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that improves efficiency and smooths out start-stop operation. While it doesn't offer the blistering speed of its higher-performance siblings, the 500 horsepower SQ8 or 591 horsepower RS Q8, the standard Q8 offers a compelling balance of power and poise for everyday driving and long-distance cruising alike. What's new for 2025? Following a significant refresh in 2024, the 2025 Q8 receives only a subtle but useful upgrade: standard traffic sign recognition, further enhancing its suite of driver assist technologies. Pricing and recommended configuration. The 2025 Audi Q8 is priced between $75,695 and $83,795, depending on trim level and additional packages. For buyers looking to maximize value without sacrificing premium features, the premium trim is an excellent choice. It includes a host of standard amenities such as a fully digital virtual cockpit, integrated navigation, leather upholstery, heated front seats, the panoramic sunroof, power liftgate. To enhance both style and functionality, we recommend adding the black optic package for a sportier exterior appearance, along with the convenience package, which bundles helpful features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and wireless device charging. Additionally, opting for the towing package unlocks the Q8's maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, making it capable of hauling boats, trailers, and more with ease. Performance and driving dynamics. On the road, the Q8 delivers a smooth, composed ride, thanks in part to its available air suspension and adaptive chassis system. In our testing, it sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds, proving it has the agility to match its looks. Although not as engaging as some Audi sedans like the A7, the Q8 still handles confidently, especially in dynamic mode, where throttle and transmission responses are noticeably sharper. Steering is light and predictable, ideal for long-distance comfort, though it lacks some excitement in twisty roads. The available four-wheel steering enhances maneuverability in tight urban settings, while large 22-inch wheels, 21-inch standard, surprisingly handle rougher surfaces with minimal noise. Braking is strong, bringing the vehicle to a halt from 70 miles per hour in a respectable 170 feet, although brake pedal feel can be inconsistent in stop-and-go traffic. Towing capability and efficiency. The Audi Q8's towing capacity tops out at 7,700 pounds when equipped with the proper hardware, making it suitable for light-duty hauling and weekend adventures. Fuel economy is slightly below average for the class, with EPA estimates of 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. However, during our 200-mile real-world highway test, the Q8 returned an impressive 28 miles per gallon, outperforming its official rating and staying competitive with rivals like the BMW X6. Interior design, comfort, and cargo space. Audi's reputation for upscale interiors is fully evident in the Q8. The cabin is a showcase of premium materials, precise craftsmanship, and thoughtful ergonomics. Even the base model feels luxurious, featuring heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and an advanced dual-screen infotainment system. Higher trims add further indulgences, including massaging front seats, upgraded leather upholstery, dual-pane acoustic glass, customizable ambient lighting, and a head-up display. Passenger space is generous in both rows. The rear seats provide ample legroom and support for 2 adults on long trips, while the elevated driving position maintains a sporty feel. In terms of cargo, the Q8 can hold up to 8 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats, and a total of 23 bags when the rear bench is folded flat, just 2 fewer than its Q7 sibling. The optional air suspension can lower the rear for easier loading, although small item storage inside the cabin is limited by a shallow center console and slim door pockets. Technology and infotainment. Audi's MMI touch response system dominates the Q8's dashboard, with 2 crisp touchscreens that replace traditional buttons and dials. While visually striking, the setup requires visual attention, though it is made easier with haptic feedback, voice commands, and steering wheel controls. Standard tech highlights include Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless. Audi's virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster. Optional features include wireless charging and 2 premium Bang & Olufsen audio systems, one of which delivers 3D sound for a truly immersive experience. Safety and driver assistance features. The Q8 offers a robust suite of safety technologies. While many are standard, some advanced systems are reserved for upper trims. Notable features include forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, standard. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, standard. Lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, available. Night vision with pedestrian detection, available. 360-degree camera system for enhanced parking safety, optional. 4 crash test ratings and detailed safety information refer to results from the NHTSA and IIHS. Warranty coverage. Audi's warranty package matches that of its main German rivals. Limited warranty, 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. Conclusion. The 2025 Audi Q8 delivers an exceptional blend of bold styling, confident performance, and luxurious refinement. While it may not offer the cargo capacity of a traditional three-row SUV, it makes up for it with standout design, advanced technology, and driving sophistication. For those seeking a premium SUV that feels as good to drive as it looks, the Q8 remains a top contender in its class.